Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. All you guys had a fantastic weekend. Weekends are too short. Maybe they should come out with a 3-day weekend. That would be fantastic. But anyway, you guys, I definitely want to share with you something that's basically a godsend for me. And at the end of the day, when something is fantastic, I like to share it. And I have three girls and all of them have different lengths of hair and none of their hair is short, so this definitely comes in handy. So before we get into it, don't forget subscribe, ring the post notification button so I'll be notified each time I upload. Leave a like on this video and let's get into it. So the Revlon Pro collection, this I went and I just bought on a whim because I was just being lazy, and I just read it and I was like, let me just try this out. So this says that it's tangle free combination bristles, cool tip, oval design, tufted bristles with bore technology, unique airflow vents, lightweight, multiple heat settings, and professional swivel cord. So I definitely did try it, and oh my gosh, best thing ever. I actually did my daughter's hair. I'm gonna insert it here, and I don't want the sound to get in the way, so I just sped through it. But absolutely amazing. This product is actually $58.99. Okay, let's round it off to $60. But anybody with kids with long hair, or even yourself, there is no need to even have a flat iron with this product. It is absolutely fantastic. I would advise anybody to get it. So let me insert the clip here, show you how. That piece literally took me like three minutes to do. Okay, you guys, this literally took me 15 minutes to do. Her hair is completely dry. There's no need for me to, her hair is so soft. And it still has that shine. Look at, it is absolutely amazing. It took at least 30 to 50 minutes. No, okay. Yeah, 30 to 50 minutes of the time for me to, that I usually do her hair in that span of time. Okay, you guys, you see that I literally did her hair in 15 to 20 minutes. How long was it? 20 minutes. I took 20 minutes, and it normally takes me between 40 minutes to an hour just to blow dry your hair with the normal blow dryer and a brush. And this is my godsend. I am so impressed. I give this 2 thumbs up. It is absolutely amazing. Like I say, when I do her hair, it literally takes me an hour to do. And with my other daughter, she has just mid-back. That's how long her hair is. Her length of her hair is mid-back. And that took us like maybe 10-15 minutes. So this is absolutely a must for anybody. I would highly recommend you literally cutting out, if you flat iron your hair, you're cutting that process out. That is how good it is. And all my girls have different textures of hair, so it's all the same. I promise you, this is absolutely the best thing ever. I would advise anybody to pick one up and try it, and if you don't like it, take it back, whatever, but I highly recommend that. So anyway, you guys, hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your week, and don't forget, ring your post notification button so you'll be notified each time I upload. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. But anyway, as I always say, you guys, please don't forget, be kind to one another. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye now.